Camp was such fun for Dorcas. The leaders told Bible stories and taught the children new songs to sing and fun crafts to do. And every day, the children received a card with a Bible verse on it to learn. As Dorcas held her card one day, she had an idea. When she returned home from camp, she asked her father to make copies of all the Bible verse cards to share with her friends at school. Then she invited 2 of her best friends to meet her during recess. "I've brought you something," Dorcas said. "They're Bible verses. Let's meet during recess to practice and learn them together." The girls accepted the cards and agreed to learn the Bible verses. When they met Dorcas the next morning, the girls had a surprise for her. Instead of just 2 girls, 10 children had come to meet Dorcas during recess. They all wanted cards, and they all agreed to memorize the Bible verses. Dorcas was amazed that so many children wanted to learn God's Word. She needed more cards. Dorcas gave each child a card and invited them to come back the next day to practice the Bible verses. Every day, more children came to Dorcas during morning recess to say their Bible verse and get another card. Within 2 weeks, 20 children were learning Bible verses. It was a big group. When Dorcas talked about how many children were coming, her mom suggested that the children meet at their house. Dorcas invited her friends over on Wednesday and Friday evenings. All 20 friends came, and they invited more friends. They sang songs, listened to a Bible story, and did the same crafts Dorcas had learned at summer camp. And the group kept growing. Soon, too many children were coming to meet inside the house, so they began meeting outside. 6 months after Dorcas started the Bible group, about 50 children and even some of their parents were coming to the Wednesday and Friday meetings. And almost 100 of them were attending on Sabbath morning for worship. Dorcas planned a regular Sabbath school program for the children, and her mom and dad helped lead the worship. One day, she found out that several people had given their hearts to Jesus and wanted to be baptized. What good news that was! Because Dorcas let God lead her, a whole new church was planted in her village in Papua New Guinea. We can do big things for God if we follow the ideas that Jesus gives us. Please pray for children like Dorcas, who are helping to lead others to Jesus.